Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Midwest Market Solutions Insider Commentaries on Thursday morning, June the 29th. Well, we've got a lot of reports coming out here this morning and this afternoon and into tomorrow. So a lot of moving parts in here. And if you want to stay up to date on everything, of course, follow us on Twitter and also stay in touch with us through our text message service where we send out messages each and every day over your cell phone. Of what important information is transpiring. We had Stats Canada out this morning. Acreage came in a little bit less than expected, about 22.4 million. In fact, this was the first time in history that canola acreage exceeded wheat acreage in Canada, and that should be a little supportive to spring wheat, as we badly need spring wheat, spring milling wheat, to blend with our winter wheat contracts, and this should be supportive to Minneapolis prices, which are already higher overnight, contract highs once again, and really have not seen much in the way of how are we going to substitute milling wheat. We're not starting to ration it, so right now we are looking for prices to continue to move higher, and there's little in the way of weather that's going to change that at this point. And we're not getting any help out of the Stats Canada numbers. Export sales out this morning, they're largely ignored. We've seen a little short covering in corn and beans. Rains are pretty much as expected. Heavy rain. I've got a Kansas City TV station on, and they're talking about heavy rains and flooding in Maryville, Missouri. That's northwest Missouri area. As they were expected to get anywhere from 2 to 6 inches of rain, and that is falling overnight. Some storms in eastern Iowa as well. So a lot of rain. In fact, too much rain in those areas. A lot of flooding taking place. So it's not an ideal situation. In fact, when you get that much rain, it's just too much rain. Ground can't handle it. Now you're talking about flooded crops. So a little bit of support from that. A little bit of short covering ahead of tomorrow's reports. We've got quarterly stocks and acreage numbers coming out tomorrow morning. This afternoon, there will be the quarterly hog and pig report. Of course, we've been bullish to the July contract. Products are on fire and cash markets are strong. Opposite of that, cattle complex, where we have weak cash markets, weak cutout values, and prices moving lower this week, but did find support and rally yesterday. So different market structures in here between the hogs and the cattle market. The grains are finding some short covering, but wheat's really the upside leader in Minneapolis. No reason to think that it won't continue to be based off of the news that we've seen, the weather forecast that we've seen, but certainly could get some short covering in corn and beans ahead of the quarterly stocks numbers that are out tomorrow. Have any questions, contact us. This has been Brian Hoops from Midwest Market Solutions. Good luck, good trading today, and we'll talk to you again soon.